Do you feel like your C ASCP study plan is failing you? Many candidates study hard, but still miss a passing score. The truth is, most people don't fail because of effort. They fail because they don't have the right study strategy. Today, I'll break down the top 5 C ASCP study plans. Each one is tested, trusted, and can help turn weaknesses into strengths. Stay with me until the end, because the number one choice, MLSI Academy, brings together everything you need to pass. Let's count down from number 5 all the way to number 1. Number 5. C ASCP Study Plan with ASCP Board of Certification Guidelines. The official ASCP outlines always come first for accuracy. They provide exact exam domain coverage and expected content areas. But here's the limitation: no guidance on study techniques. Also, practice application is minimal, which confuses many candidates. This is a great starting map, but not a complete plan. Number 4. C ASCP Study Plan with textbooks and professional literature. Classic textbooks cover hematology, immunology, and laboratory principles deeply. Many candidates use textbooks for knowledge clarity and definitions. The problem is heavy reading slows progress and creates overwhelm. Content is detailed, but often more than needed for exam prep. This option is strong, but requires selective reading and discipline. Number 3. C ASCP Study Plan with free online resources and forums. Websites, Reddit groups, and digital flashcards offer quick access study help. They're useful for peer advice and immediate explanations of confusing topics. But quality varies, and accuracy is not always guaranteed. Unverified sources can waste time or even mislead your preparation. This works best when paired with trusted programs, not as the core plan. Number 2. C ASCP Study Plan with commercial question banks. These tools simulate exam questions and offer quick performance feedback. They reveal weak spots and measure understanding under time pressure. Some providers offer thousands of practice questions for repetition. But not all banks match real ASCP exam style exactly. Relying only on practice banks ignores structured review and proven strategies. Number 1. C ASCP Study Plan with MLSI Academy. This is the most complete and structured option available today. Its live online classes give real-time interaction with expert instructors. Video recordings let you review tough lessons on your own time. The No Fluff Study Guide ebook keeps everything concise and exam-focused. A personalized study plan helps structure daily and weekly preparation. It includes a proven action plan for how to pass effectively, and the question banks come in 4 formats for mastery: Q and AMP, A quizzes, full practice exams, and full-length mock exams. This layered design ensures you practice recall, application, and exam endurance. Compared to all other options, MLSI Academy balances accuracy, structure, and efficiency. That's why it stands out as the top choice. Let's recap. If your C ASCP study plan feels weak, you're not alone. Official guidelines give the outline, but no strategies. Textbooks add depth, but can overwhelm candidates. Free resources help, but accuracy is inconsistent. Question banks simulate, but lack full structure. Only MLSI Academy combines all 6 essentials in one system. So, when it comes to forging a C ASCP study plan, MLSI Academy delivers the clearest path from struggle to success. In the next video, I'll be reviewing the best C ASCP study materials, so make sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe for more ASCP prep strategies. Comment below if you've struggled with balancing textbooks and practice banks. And remember, the right study plan turns weaknesses into passing strengths. Now let's get you ready to pass.